The Adventure of the Little Mermaid. Once upon a time, in the sparkling blue sea, lived a little mermaid named Mira. She had shimmering green fins, curious eyes, and a heart full of wonder. One sunny morning, Mira swam up from her coral castle and whispered, "Today, I'm going on an adventure." First, she met Tiko, the tiny turtle, who was trying to flip over. "Need help?" asked Mira. "Yes, please," said Tiko. With a gentle push, Mira helped him up. "Thank you. Take this seashell. It brings good luck," said Tiko with a smile. Mira swam farther and found Bibi, the baby jellyfish, stuck in seaweed. "Oh no! I'm tangled," cried Bibi. Mira carefully untangled her with her fins. "You're free now." Bibi gave her a glowing pearl. "This lights your way in dark places." Then, Mira heard singing. It was Lulu, the little lobster, practicing her song. "You have a beautiful voice," said Mira. "Thank you. Would you like to sing with me?" They sang and laughed until bubbles filled the sea. As the sun began to set, Mira returned home with a lucky shell, a glowing pearl, and new friends in her heart. That night, she looked at the stars above the sea and whispered, "What a wonderful adventure! I can't wait for the next one."